Qwen 3.8 27B is now on Ollama. And this is crazy. That headline is not hype, it's just true. A brand new AI model from Alibaba's Qwen team just showed up where anyone can run it on your own computer for free. No cloud login, no waiting. Let me tell you what it actually does. This model has 27 billion parts inside it called parameters. Think of parameters like tiny knobs. More knobs usually means more skill. Most home computers can't run huge AI models with hundreds of billions of knobs. But 27 billion is a size a normal gaming laptop or desktop can actually handle. That's the whole point of this release. Big AI power. Small enough to fit on your machine. Here's how you try it. You open a terminal, you type one line, Ollama run Qwen 3.8, hit enter, the model downloads, then it's yours. It stays on your computer. It works even offline once it's downloaded. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Now, here's where it gets interesting for anyone running a business. This model isn't just a text machine. It can look at pictures, it can watch video, it can read long documents, it can plan out a task, do the first step, check if that step worked, then do the next step. That's called being an agent. It doesn't just answer you, it works for you. Let's slow down on that because it matters. Old AI models were like a very smart friend who only talks. You ask a question, they answer, done. This new model is more like an assistant who takes the whole job off your plate. You give it a goal, it breaks the goal into steps. It does step one, it checks its own work. If something's wrong, it fixes it. Then it moves to step two. That loop keeps going until the job is finished. Alibaba tested this model against its own older version called Qwen 3.6. The gains are big. On a test that checks how well an AI can work inside a computer terminal doing real tasks, the score jumped from 63 up to 73. On a test that checks how well an AI can fix real software problems, the score jumped from about 53 up to 61. On a test that checks long, messy, real-world coding work, the score went from 13 up to 42. That's more than triple. Now, I want to be fair with you. These numbers come from Qwen's own testing, not some outside judge. So take the exact numbers with a little grain of salt. But even with that caution, the direction is clear. This model got a lot better at doing real, useful work, not just talking about it. Let's talk about the seeing part, because I think this is the part most people miss. This model can look at a picture and understand what's inside it, show it a screenshot of a website, it can tell you what's on the page, show it a screenshot of a messy spreadsheet, it can tell you what's wrong with it, and it can do the same thing with video. Long video, not just a 10-second clip. You could hand it a full hour-long recording and ask it to summarize what happened. Picture this. You run a small business page. You get a video call recorded from a client meeting. Instead of watching the whole thing back, you hand it to the model and ask it to list out every promise you made during that call. That's not a coding trick. That's just saving you time on something boring. I want to pause here for something important. If you're building any kind of business right now and you're not learning how to use tools like this, you are going to fall behind people who are. This isn't about being a tech expert. It's about knowing which button to press and which question to ask. That's genuinely the whole skill now. That's exactly why we built the AI Profit Boardroom. Inside, we don't just talk about tools like Qwen 3.8. We show you step by step how to point them at your actual business. Say you run a small coaching page or a local service business. Inside the boardroom, one of the first things we'd walk you through is asking a model like this to build a landing page for something you're already selling, one that clearly explains the value and is built to bring in more visitors and more leads. You watch it happen, then you copy the exact steps for your own business. We run 4 live coaching calls every single week. We post new daily tutorials with full step-by-step video walkthroughs, so you're never guessing what button to click. We give you 30-day roadmaps, so you're not stuck wondering what to do next. There's a full prompt library, so you're never staring at a blank box wondering what to type. And there's a member map, so you can actually meet other business owners near you who are using these same tools right now this week. Now, back to Qwen 3.8. Let's talk about how much this model can hold in its head at once. This part is called the context window. Right now, it can hold about 256,000 tokens at one time. Tokens are just small pieces of text, like chopped up words, and it can stretch that even further, up to around 1 million tokens using a special setting. Why should you care? Because it means the model can read a huge amount at once and still remember all of it. A long contract, a big pile of customer messages, weeks of notes. It can hold all of that in memory while it works, instead of forgetting the beginning by the time it reaches the end. Now, here's a feature I think is really smart. This model can think before it answers or skip the thinking and just answer fast. You control that. If you're asking something simple, like write me a quick reply, you can turn thinking off and it answers in a snap. If you're asking something harder, like plan out a full week of content, you can turn thinking on and it slows down, works through the problem, and gives you a stronger answer. That's a real choice most AI tools don't give you. Fast when you want fast. Careful when you want careful. Let's talk plainly about running this on your own machine, because I don't want to oversell it. The download itself is about 18 gigabytes for the standard version. That's the file size. But running it well takes more memory than just that number, especially if you're feeding it long documents or long video. If you've got a newer laptop or desktop with a solid graphics card, you're in a good spot. If your machine is older or has very little memory, you'll want a lighter, smaller version, or you'll want to be patient with slower speeds. And if you're on a Mac with Apple Silicon, there's a version made just for you. It's built to run smoothly on Apple's own chips, which is genuinely great news, because a lot of new AI models get released, and Mac users are left waiting weeks for support. This model also plugs directly into tools people already use every day for coding and task work, tools like Claude Code, OpenCode, and Hermes Agent, plus a tool called Pi. You don't need to learn a brand new interface. You launch it straight from the same one-line command, and it slots right into what you already have open. One more thing worth saying clearly. This model is released under something called Apache 2.0. In plain terms, that's one of the most open, most usable licenses out there. It means people, including small businesses, are free to use it, build with it, and adjust it for their own needs. So let's zoom out for a second. A year ago, a model like this, one that can see, plan, work in steps, and hold huge amounts of information, would have needed a giant company's cloud servers to run. Now it fits on a personal computer. That gap is closing fast, and it's not closing over years anymore. It's closing over months. If you're someone who codes, this is a serious new option to test inside your workflow, especially for repeated tasks like fixing bugs or reviewing changes. If you're not a coder at all, don't tune out. The bigger story here is that AI is turning from something you chat with into something you assign work to. The real question is whether you're the one learning to use them early or the one catching up later. I'll be honest with you, a lot of people watching this are going to close the tab and do nothing with it. And a smaller group is going to actually go try this today. That second group is the one that ends up ahead in 6 months. If you want to be in that second group and you want it broken down simply without wasting your time, come join us inside the AI Profit Boardroom. We already have members using tools just like this one for their own businesses, and we'll be walking through Qwen 3.8 specifically in an upcoming tutorial, showing you exactly how to set it up and put it to work. Real coaching calls every week, daily step-by-step tutorials, a 30-day roadmap so you always know your next move, a full prompt library, and a member map so you're not doing this alone. Link is in the comments and the description. And if you just want the free version of all this, the guides, the shortcuts, and the real-world use cases like the one we covered today, go join the AI Success Lab. It's a free community. You'll get the notes from this exact video, plus access to a group of over 75,000 people who are already using AI to move their work forward. Links are in the comments and description. Qwen 3.8 27B just made a serious AI agent, something you can run yourself today without a login and without a wait. That's the story. Go try it.